guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this week's video, I'm doing my morning routine. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm just gonna do my face wash. Washed my face and I'm trying to do an eye mask, and after that I'm gonna make a breakfast, so stay with me. Okay, I'm just about to make an egg or something. Also, the weather is super cloudy. I'm hoping to rain, so let's just see how it goes. Makeup real quick, and today is just not the day that I do a lot of makeup, so it should be easy. and I'm going to fix my nails, like do my nails on. This is the color, and let's go. Hey guys, I just did my nails, and this was it for this week's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.